Hello friends, so today I will show you how you can create a database, and under that database how can you create your first table. So this is a very basic learning step uh, in phpmyadmin. In the previous class I showed you how you can execute your first PHP program, but before moving to how you can connect your PHP program to MySQL, I would like to show you how you can create database and tables. So let's first move to localhost phpmyadmin. uh, we will go to localhost phpmyadmin because I am working on my local computer and I have installed WAMP server, and using WAMP we can go to phpmyadmin like this. You can go to like this localhost and then phpmyadmin, and then if you go here by default username is root, so type root, and by default the password is blank, so just put blank, and then by default it is MySQL, so let it be MySQL, and go to click on go. Okay, so let's wait until we go to the next screen. So we already have a lot of databases created here, but I will show you how you can create your first database. So first, after coming to this screen, after you are on this screen, just click on databases, go to databases, and here you can see an option of creating a new database. Okay, so let's name it first underscore db. This is your first database, so let's name it first db for your learning purpose. You can name it anything else as per your need, and let's put a UTF-8 general CI as this one. Okay, so why this character set? Because this is supported in maximum cases, so you can change it as per your need, but I would advise you to go for UTF general CI when you are first creating it. Okay, so your database name is first db, and your character set is this one. In this case, character set is UTF-8 underscore general underscore CI. Okay, and then click on create. So your first database is already created. Go to your first db. Okay, so here it's showing an option to create a table. So let's create a user table. This is very important. I hope you will watch it carefully. Okay, name it user. Okay, so I'm making a new table which is user, and it will have 4 columns. Okay, so let's click on the go. Okay, so now I'm on the table creation. I can see all the 4 fields, and I have to name it. So first name it as ID, and let it be int, and let the length value blank, and then click on the attributes, and here you can don't put it anything here, and just make it as primary. Okay, so primary, and then what will just click on go. So you have selected it as primary key because it uniquely identifies a row. Okay, and then make it as auto increment. Okay, why auto increment? I will show you also why it will have auto increment values, why it is necessary. Okay, so we have made the ID as our first column. Let's make the first name first first underscore name as the second one. Data type as varchar, and first name mostly used to be in 50. Then you can change it as per your requirement. Okay, let it put it last name. The second, our third column name is last name. It will also have worker 50. Okay, and the last one we will have is the email. Okay, email also used to be varchar. Okay, so let's put it also 50. This is, I'm putting this as 50. You can change it as per your need. You can put it also at 25 or 20, whatever, but I have put it the maximum length here for your convenience, so that there shouldn't be any doubt in your mind. But you cannot have the data type here as text, okay, because text means it will take a lot of data. It can take a lot of data. We don't need to put it as text. We can just make it as varchar and make the length data to 50. That is enough. If we suppose in case of email, if we are storing a value for a text area, suppose anything like that, comment, okay, so we can make it as text, okay, we can make it as text data type, and we don't need to put any value for that, because we are expecting maximum number of data, okay. So we have placed 4 column names, okay. So let's move to the next screen. Just click on save, okay. So user table is created. This is how the user table is created. So you can see the 4 column names. The first column name is ID, second column name is first name, third one is last name, and the fourth one is comment, okay. And we have set the first column name as auto increment primary key. A primary key value cannot be null, okay. So this is auto increment, and when you write your MySQL query, then you don't need to put a value for the ID, because it is automatically incremented. Like if 1 is the previous value, the next value will be 2, and it goes on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. So this is the very beginning of your database creation. So database name is first DB, and under it we have the table user. So in the next chapter we will show you how you can connect this database with PHP function and all. Thank you. Thanks a lot.